In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a resource library in Notion. First, create a new database. Rename the name property to title. This is where the title of each resource will appear. Add a text property and rename it author. This is where you will add the name of the person who created the resource. Then, add a select property and rename it type. This property will help you define what kind of resource it is. Click on Edit Property and add as many options as you need. The options I'm using already cover a wide range of resource types, but of course, you can adapt them to your own system. Sort the options alphabetically to make them easier to browse, and change their colors if you want your database to be more visual. Now, add a multi-select property and rename it categories. This property will let you assign one or several categories to each resource. Again, open Edit Property and add as many categories as you need. Just like with the type property, you can sort them alphabetically and customize the colors. Next, add a status property. This will help you track where you are with each resource. You don't need to change anything here. Then, add another select property and rename it rating. This one will help you rate your resources based on how useful or relevant they are. Finally, add a files and media property. This is where the link to your resource will appear, whether it's an URL, a PDF, an image, or any other type of file. To make the database easier to use, you can create different views. First, let's create a view by category. Click the plus icon next to the name of your database to add a new view. Choose the list layout and rename the view by category. Then go to Property Visibility and make sure all the properties you want to see are visible. You can also rearrange them in the order that makes the most sense for you. After that, click Group and select Categories. Sort the groups alphabetically. You can also show the number of resources in each category. To do that, click the three dots next to the category name and select Show Aggregation. And you can repeat the same process to create views grouped by status or by type. This way, your resource library stays flexible, organized, and easy to navigate. Follow for more Notion tips.